good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video where I'm just going to show you everything that I eat in a day. Don't know why I'm explaining that, but yeah, I think it'll be super fun. So I haven't done a vlog style what I eat in a day where I talk you through what I'm doing in a while, I feel like, so get excited. This morning I'm going to start by making oatmeal. I've already made this oatmeal combination a few days ago and it was really good. So basically what I'm gonna do is cook up my oats, but I'm not just gonna cook them up normally. My favorite type of oats are quick oats, but I don't have any, I just have rolled oats. Make them the same consistency as rolled oats if I blend them in the blender for a little bit and then cook them. Much better. So I'm gonna cook those with just some oat milk, and then I am going to top it off with a pear that I'm going to cook with cinnamon. It's gonna be super good. And then also some maple syrup, tahini, and some of this cinnamon apple granola from Cascadian Farm, and it's sweetened with only fruit. So that's really cool. So yeah, that's kind of it. I'm gonna get started. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you get some food ideas. This meal is super simple, but it's very tasty.
Hello? Okay, that's everything like that.
Here's breakfast. It is so good. I highly recommend making something like this. If you don't have these exact ingredients, of course you can switch it out and make something that fits the ingredients you have, but it's so good. I'm gonna eat this. Who knows if I'll eat before lunch, but I'll see you next time I consume something. Hello, it is now time for lunch, and it's getting a little bit cooler where I live. By that I mean like 72 degrees, and I'm gonna make the most of it. And I'm making soup. So I'm making some vegetable barley Amy's soup, and then I wanted bread with it. We don't have any normal bread, but we have hamburger bun, so I'm just gonna toast up a hamburger bun and add some of this full circle plant butter. And yeah, that's about it. It's very, very simple, super quick, but I just really wanted some soup, and that's the bread we have, so I'm gonna make that, and I'll see you all when it's done. I don't really have to show you how I'm making it because I think everyone knows how to heat up soup and toast bread. Lunch. It's soup, very simple, but I like soup. Hopefully you like soup too. And that's what I'm eating for lunch today, so yep, that's about it, and let's move on to dinner. I'm about to die. But guys, that was dinner. Hope you enjoyed watching me eat a bunch of sushi. It was super good. Goodbye. And what did you say about this?
The sushi is terrible.
That is the biggest lie. He just said to me off camera. He won't admit it on camera. He just said that this sushi was better than every non-vegan sushi he's ever eaten.
I never said that.
Yeah, he did. He doesn't want to admit it, but he just said that. So, vegan sushi can win.